Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.